morality of the Quran inoculates believers from every extremism.
Here in Antarctica,
Radicalism wholly described as those who speak nicely, refrain from conflict, are friendly and moderate to even the fiercest opponents, and modest, patient, compassionate, and loving.
The Quran, God feels that all of them are and affectionate towards others. One verse describing the moral of the Prophet Muhammad upon him reads,
It is from God that you were gentle with them. If you had a of heart, they have suffered from around you.
Muslims are only responsible for the Quran's morality, and since they are prohibited from being bullies or enforcers and are required to even the greatest tyrant, they cannot resist radicals. Radicalism espouses and applies the exact of all groups. In addition, Muslims must be only polite and respectful and not share their beliefs and ideas and telling them about the values of Islam. They never resort to force or threats.
For their responsibility is limited to teaching others about the Quran's morality. The rest is entirely the conscience of those people. God, the kind of language must be. Call to the way of your wisdom and fair admonition. Argue with them in the your Lord knows who is misguided. He knows best guided.
In part 2 of our document, Call for Unity, we'll be looking at the common beliefs and values of faiths and the kind of intellectual that members of every faith need to work against atheist philosophies. In addition, we shall also be discussing in the document Turn to Earth, Jesus, the end and the impact that comes. At the end of this documentaries, we will see union and brotherhood between nations can easily be established. The three faiths have so much more in common than is commonly believed. By once the faiths coalesce around peace will be established very soon, and the anarchic conflict that some people are hoping for will be eliminated from the face of the earth.